I'm Dan Mortimer. I'm the CTO at Alexandar's Print Advantage. We had a lot of pressure from our customers to decrease the run size, specifically with photo books and with cards and invites, to go to a much lower run size and also higher variation in the products we're offering different sizes and different papers. And that leads to very small runs. Where we saw a huge issue in efficiencies with having that size of run was in cutting. When you have to get a stack of 7 or 8 sheets, even 50 sheets, and put them into a guillotine cutter and set up and make all the adjustments and cut that and stack that and arrange them correctly, it takes a long time. It takes as long to cut 10 sheets as it does a stack of 400 sheets. The SmartStacker allows us to minimize those changeovers and get efficient runs with high changeover. With the SmartStacker, now we can take multiple cut stacks, multiple cut paths, stack them all together in the feeder, and we are able to get books stacked and staggered at the end without any changeover from an operator. Even just the minor difference of getting the books in an offset stacks saves us immense amount of time in binding, because before when you're cutting them all as one stack on the guillotine, we have to put a slip sheet in between, and the operator that is binding them has to fan through the stack of books to find where one book ends and the next book starts. With the SmartStacker, they come off the end all offset and staggered so that it's very easy for the binding operator to grab the next set. Or in the case of greeting cards and wedding invitations, it's very clear where one order starts and one order ends because they are offset from each other. That's a very minor difference, but it saves immense amount of handling beyond this process. So a specific advantage that this brings for our customers, the ability to have more variations in their product and still maintain cost effectiveness in that product. So we've been winning business from some competitors specifically because we are able to offer multiple sizes of books, and the customer can have a much lower volume of any of those sizes and still be efficient and effective. Where previously, if you weren't able to run, a few hundred of one size of book at a time, it wasn't cost effective to do so. So now we can bring in customers that have a little bit lower volume of photo books and still give them the advantage of being able to differentiate themselves from everybody else by offering something a little bit different from everybody else.